just like that, we are back, guys. Hello Dirt Talkers, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. We're here for stage 2 of this project. That's right, we're here to do stage 2. Stay tuned, keep watch, this is going to be an awesome video. That's right guys, that's right Dirt Talkers, we're back. We're back here on site. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. We're here for stage 2. We are excited. Yes! Let's get it done guys. Let's go and have a look and see what has been done. We've had the block layers here. We're waiting for the machine to turn up. We're getting it done and let's make it happen. As you can see guys, we're back. We're ready. Let's take on stage 2 and build this pad. Beautiful weather here today in Sydney. Cannot be happier, thanking the gods. Guys, look, we've got a wall, guys. How awesome is this? Oh man, we cannot be happier. It's so awesome. Look at that. The dirt is dry for once. It's dry for once. It hasn't. Not saying it. I'm not saying no. I'm not saying no way. No, don't. No. Not saying it. I don't want it to rain. But guys, look, this is incredible. Got another one over here, guys. As you remember, this one here is on the end, a massive stockpile that we are going to use as backfill to put along that back wall. So this material here is going where we're just walking in that trench. But guys, we've got this one. We've got this one too, guys. This is awesome. It's getting backfilled as well. So pretty much line here will go all the way out. Whoa. Can't wait to get it done, guys. We've got the machine turning up soon. We're going to be into it. I guess who's operating it today? That's right, me. I am, guys. I'm in the machine. I'll pull out the guns, see how we go. But guys, enjoy. This is awesome. Cannot be happier. Now I've just got to wait for the machine to turn up, guys. Yeah. It's been 1 hour. Still no machine. 2.5 hours later, still no machine. Three hours late, guys. 3 hours late. Can't believe it. Finally turned up, guys. 3 hours later. Let's get them in. Got a 4-ton roller and a 5-ton excavator, guys, to get us done. guys, let's take a break from excavating for a moment and talk about memberships, guys. In the link below, please join. You get exclusive access. You get battery installed. Hey Dirt Talkers, let's take a break from excavation and talk about memberships and what you can get for your membership by joining our channel. We can give you exclusive access, merchandise for joining up, but this is coming soon, very, very soon. For each member who joins in the month of June, we'll get a free t-shirt at the end of June. We're doing that as a promotion, but guys, join. The link's below. See us, make us, work with us. We've got you. We're always on site, always trying to be on point for you guys and bring you the best content and up close and personal with some of the biggest machines in the world. Enjoy, guys. Let's get back into it and keep moving and moving the world. Let's do it, guys. Remember, join the memberships. The link's below. Hey guys, we're back for day 2. Here we are. Backfilling is almost completed. Still got a pile to get rid of, and but yeah, it's looking awesome, guys. Look, can't complain.
Be ready, Dan? You can backfill it and I'll take a photograph. Throw a bit of fucking blue metal on top of it, that dust.
Yep. Beautiful. Hey, what's up, Dirt Talkers? Let's climb this mountain. Let's go. Alright guys. Still got a mountain, a pile of dirt here to come out still, but we're making progress. We're making progress. We've got a machine coming tomorrow, a posi track with his laser grade. Like I said before, it's going to be pretty cool. It's going to be cool to see. But we've done the edge beams around the edge. That's for the slab to sit in, and then they build the slab up. So going to put the laser grade across this. We've got DGB coming tomorrow. Flying rocks so we can start spreading out and building the base. Backfilling is done, and also the edge beam right along that edge. So you can see we've got a little bit of material to come out tomorrow, and that's clear, that's done. And we're hoping for another 2 days on site. 2 days, let's get it done. Let's keep moving forward, Dirt Talkers. We're getting there. We're building a business. We're moving forward. All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.